Okay.
Wow.
Ano lang? Ano nangyari?
Pagod na ako.
Para sa entourage namin mga kapatid, aabot ba tayo?
Pag hindi, ayaw na.
Bring your time and bring your shame. Bring your guilt and bring your pain.
Talagang best man ka, pre.
Don't you know that's not your name?
Ano nalaman? Dalawa mo lang rich food.
Every day I resonate with voices that keep telling me I'm not. But that's alright, 'cause I hear the voice and he calls me every day.
Ay, ano?
I'll never be enough.
Yeah.
Ang sakit, Ning.
He's the one living inside of me. Then he
Daming gano'n. Daming sound effects. Are you ready? My God, am I? Are you? Maybe? Sure? Perhaps?
Okay, I looked after her when she was 3. Started 3 until she turned 15. I just woke up one day that she's getting married. I just want to say I hope she has a nice wedding. I hope they will look after each other. Be good to your husband. I can see now that she's very happy. If you can't understand each other, you go away. You come back after 10 minutes and check in.
And every time I fall, there'll be those who will call me a mistake. Well, that's okay.
Never kong nakalang magpapakasal si Mommy.
It's nice to see lang din na she's finally happy.
Yeah.
And greater is the one living inside.
Oh my God, sabi ko pa kay Tito, hindi ako iiyak.
Yeah!
I pray that they have more faith in God so that their relationship will foster more in love.
Living inside of me, than he who is living in the world.
Para sa panibagong yugto.
Salud!
Salud! On! Wilma, Mau, or Wewet. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, yun po ang palayaw niya nung siya'y kapiraso pa lang. Wewet. Sa totoo lang, a lot has happened since the day we first met. That was 3 years ago, to be exact. And to be honest, writing these vows is difficult for me. Kasi di ko lang talaga alam kung saan ako magsisimula.
Ako kumakanta ako. So yun yung ginagawa ko, content sa streaming app. Nung una, syempre friends, kwentuhan, ganyan, kantahan. Nung una, hindi ko siya pinapansin talaga.
Sa totoo lang, nung una, di ko siya type eh. Di ko siya type.
Nung tinignan ko yung profile photo niya, sabi ko, okay, gwapo, pero hindi ko bet kasi mukhang babaero. Sabi ko.
Pero nung mga oras na yun kasi, I don't really know kung sino talaga siya. Hindi kami close. Pero nasa isang circle of friends kami. Pero feeling ko na mga time na yun, hindi naman sa ano, no? Patay na patay siya sa akin. Nagsimula lahat sa pag-request ko ng kanta sa kanya. Kasi nga, di ba, nagla-live siya. Walang mali siya, sadyang napakaganda lang talaga ng boses. Most of the time, we were with a group of friends. Hindi naman kami naiiwan sa isang live mag-isa.
Javier and Wilma, this is your day. This is the day that the Lord has made for you.
You got this. You got this.
Yes.
This truth.
From now on, you will become husband and wife. It will be a change of status. It will be a change of the direction of your life. No longer for yourself, but now together with the family God has with you.
Parang hindi ako nakahinga bigla.
your wife. Seal it in a case.
Thank you for loving me and my kids, for turning my dream to reality.
From there, napunta sa asaran, sa small talk, mas nagkakilala ng mas malalim. At ayun, nauwi sa kasalan.
Di ba tapos?